Build, program, and control your own robotic creations with Robotics Workshop. Assemble 10 amazing mechanical robots using sensors, motors, and a CB1 core controller with a speaker and microphone that acts as your robot's brain. Start by building simple robots, like an ultrasonic turtle that uses an ultrasonic sensor to avoid obstacles. Then graduate to more complex machines, like a ball-shooting robot, or a robotic arm that can pick up objects with its mechanical hand. Download the free app built with Google Blockly on your iOS or Android tablet and connect wirelessly to program your robots. Or connect to your robots directly from your PC with a USB connection. The visual block-based programming app makes coding your robots fast and easy to understand. A 64-page full-color manual provides step-by-step building instructions and sample programs for your robots. And with over 300 pieces, you can construct and program your own creations. Build your robotic knowledge with Robotics Workshop. Ages 10 and up. From Thames and Kosmos.